This is the Dartpad. It's a website where you can go and write Dart. Pretty cool, right? Here on the left, we have the editor. Here on the right, we have the console, and below that, we have documentation. The documentation will show up automatically as soon as you click or move the cursor onto a documented function. That can be inside of the Dart language itself or from a imported library that will work there. If you would like to go and expand further on the docs that you see, click on that link and it will pull up a much broader expanded definition and documentation of whatever is here inside of this window. To run your projects, hit the run button and it will run over here on the console. Any outputs you will have will show up there. The Dartpad is a very useful way to go and write Dart code either on a public computer where you don't have the ability to save or install Dart, or if you just want to go and verify something quickly as part of a larger project to see more clearly and a little bit smaller scale how Dart code would run. Up here in the upper right, we have a series of examples. These top ones with this fancy F are Flutter projects. That means there's UI involved. It's part of their the UI building tool. Here we go. This is a Flutter project. Again, rather more advanced. Don't worry about that just yet. We're going to focus more on Dart for the moment. Fibonacci is a much simpler, smaller file for us to look at. Feel free to go and browse these samples and the Dartpad itself and some of the documentation before our next video. I will see you there.